Mahomet Tragedie by Voltaire. Act 2, Scene 4. Mahomet and Omar. Mahomet said, "Brave Omar, stay, for in thy faithful bosom will I repose the secrets of my soul. The lingering progress of a doubtful siege may stop our rapid course. We must not give these weak, deluded mortals too much time to pry into our actions' prejudice. Rules are the vulgar with despotic sway. Thou knowest there is a tale which I have spread, and they believe that universal empire awaits the prophet, who to Mecca's walls shall lead his conquering bands and bring her peace. 'Tis mine to mark the errors of mankind, and to avail me of them. But whilst thus I try each art to soothe this fickle people, what thinks my friend of Side and Palmyra?" Omar said, "I think most nobly of them, amidst those few staunch followers who own no God, no faith but thine, who love thee as their father, their friend and benefactor, none obey, are serve thee with an humbler, better mind. They are most faithful." Mahomet said, "Omar, thou art deceived. They are my worst foes. They love each other." Omar said, "And can ye blame their tenderness?" Mahomet said, "My friend, I'll tell thee all my weakness." Omar said, "How, my lord?" Mahomet said, "Thou knowest the reigning passion of my soul. Whilst proud ambition and the cares of empire weighed heavy upon me, Mahomet's hard life has been a conflict with opposing nature, whom I have vanquished by austerity and self-denial, have banished from me that baleful poison which unnerves mankind, which only serves to fire them into madness and brutal follies on the burning sand. Our desert rocks, I brave the inclement sky, and bear the season's rough vicissitude. Love is my only solace, the dear object. Oh, fall my toils! The idol I adore, the God of Mahomet, the powerful rival of my ambition, know, midst all my queens, Palmyra reigns sole mistress of my heart. Think then what pangs of jealousy my friend must feel when she expressed her fatal passion. Her side, Omar said, "But thou art revenged." Mahomet said, "Judge thou, if soon I ought not to take vengeance on them. That thou mayest hate my rival more, I'll tell thee who Side and Palmyra are, the children of him whom I abhor, my deadliest foe." Omar said, "Ha, Zoper." Mahomet said, "Is their father 15 years are past since brave Hercules to my care gave up their infant years. They know not yet are who are what they are. I brought them up together. I indulged their lawless passion, and added fuel to the guilty flame. Methinks it is as if the hand of heaven had meant in them to center every crime. But I must, their father comes this way. His eyes are full of bitterness and wrath against me. Now be vigilant, my Omar. Hercules must be careful to possess this most important pass. Return and tell me whether 'tis most expedient to declare against him or retreat away." Now, there's no indication that Muhammad was an impostor, that he, deceived the people, at least on a knowing level? Or that the goal was, empire, except a spiritual one. Because he never started a war. There was always some sort of oppression or attack going on. And nor was there any indication that, that the goal of Islam was something anti-nature.